Creating an efficient workflow in Netsuite is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Begin by identifying the specific business process you want to streamline. This could be anything from sales order processing to expense approvals. Map out each step of the process, including who is responsible for each task and what actions are required at each stage. Understanding the current workflow is essential for optimizing it. Determine the triggers that initiate the workflow. These could be events like the creation of a new record, the modification of an existing record, or the passage of a certain amount of time. Define conditions that must be met for the workflow to proceed. For example, a sales order may need to meet certain criteria before it can be approved. In Netsuite, workflows are typically created using SuiteFlow, the built-in workflow management tool. Use SuiteFlow's graphical interface to design the workflow logic. This may involve setting up a series of steps, decisions, and actions that guide the process from start to finish. Configure the workflow to automate tasks whenever possible. This could include sending notifications, updating records, triggering approvals, or generating tasks for users. Before deploying the workflow in a production environment, thoroughly test it to ensure that it behaves as expected. Test various scenarios to identify any potential issues or bottlenecks. Once you're confident in the workflow functionality, deploy it in your production Netsuite account. Monitor the workflow performance over time to identify any areas for improvement. Netsuite provides reporting tools that allow you to track the status and efficiency of your workflows. Continuously review and refine your workflows to optimize efficiency and effectiveness. Solicit feedback from users who are involved in the process to identify pain points and areas for improvement. Make adjustments as needed to address any issues and ensure that the workflow remains aligned with your business objectives.